I'm taking out the wheels so I can spray paint them.
Oh, you're gonna spray paint them?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that'd be cool. Do you know what colors you're gonna spray paint them yet?
It's white, blue, and red.
Light blue and red. That is gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see it. Sir?
What?
Are you distracted?
Well, we put the tape in the wheel now.
Alright, you got red first?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, let's see it. Good job. That looks really cool. Are you doing the blues now?
Mm-hmm.
What color? This is like a nice, bright, like baby blue color. Oh, wow. That is super bright. Wow, these tires turned out awesome.
I think this is the lightest one.
That's the lightest one. All right, let's put them on there and head to the skate park. Put them on. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now slam the body on. All right, this thing looks awesome.
Yep.
Let's see if it helps it maybe go higher or something.
You want to go land or crash?
Off this jump here, I think it'll land it off this one.
That was unbelievable.
That was. See if it'll go up here. Oh, off the edge. Oh, it drove it in the grass. Set it right here. It's got a nice run up.
I like this.
All right. Whoa, tire's broken. Oh no. We got a little floppy tire action going on here.
Then what, Corey? No!
Damn.
Fire Bigfoot.
Bigfoot? Oh, it's got flames. Oh, bicycle. On his head. Oh, he saved it at the bottom.
That was cool.
Bicycle. Oh, here he comes. Meow. Uh-oh. Keaton, you're supposed to catch it. Why didn't you catch it? Going up that one. Oh, off the side. And crashed in the weeds.
Send it down.
Send it down. Oh, front flip. He's waiting on the driver. Landed that.
That's what more a kickflip. I don't know.
You don't know how to kickflip? You ever seen a monster truck do a kickflip before?
No.
I don't know how he does it.
I think it's right here.
Yep, right there. Didn't go too far. There he goes again. Let's see how high you can go up this, like, I don't know, triangle, pyramid type deal. Oh! Oh, he almost made it off the very top of it.
Why there's a
Elsa
Band-Aid?
Band-Aid. Gross.
Oh, no touchy. No touchy. No touchy.
Here he goes. Oh, almost landed it.
Oh, the frame right here?
Yeah. one. Long roll all the way across.
That was nice and perfect.
Nice. Oh, is he gonna drop in? He dropped in. Where's it kind of? I think he fell in. He really didn't drop in.
Yeah.
Up and down.
There's a puppy behind you.
A puppy? Oh, look at his little puppy face.
Try it.
Try it again. Oh.
Do it again. I'm gonna drop him now.
You gonna drop him in? How are you gonna get up there? Oh, he's rolling off the backside.
He fell off.
Yep, he flipped off.
Down the foot. What's he doing?
What is going on here? No one's touching the controller. I don't know. I think he's done. He don't want to play no more, obviously. Yeah, I'm not touching it. It's just going in reverse.
Oh, he's going all the way to the top?
Oh, no, hopefully he ain't scared of heights. Oh, he just sent it off.
Oh, he landed it! Good job!
Thing going. It makes me want to eat it because it looks like candy.
Looks like candy? It does. It looks
Yeah.
like gummy tires.
We broke both tires off that landing. The like longest
Look, and he
bicycle.
even landed it.
Oh. Oh my god.
That was the biggest humble, yes.
Oh.
Right in the dad's foot.
How did you aim it up and over the mounds there?
I don't know.
You aiming for me?
No. I didn't know you were lying. Cricket. Not a cricket.
He's a grasshopper, actually. Oh, you sent him all the way to another ramp. And he's coming back to you, look. Ooh. Oh, I landed that one, finally.
Eyebrow right there.
Eyebrow. Got a little damage.
And another eyebrow.
Wow. Hey, why don't we try an El Toro Loco RC?
Can we do that before?
I don't know. We could try it.
Is it actually a real one?
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. There's
I'm
Mama,
excited
too.
to do this.
You're excited?
Yep.
Let's unbox it, and hopefully all it needs is batteries. 'Cause
Look,
it's-
you can collect 3. You can collect Gravedigger or Tolo on Megalodon.
Yeah.
I used to have Megalodon, you remember?
Yeah. Kind of got rid of him. Yeah, kind of broke him.
My mom got it on Prime Days. Wow. R.I.P. to the box. My goodness. Oh, Twisties. Oh, Twisties.
Let me go this way.
Walk out.
Smoke can come out.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
See how fast this thing can go. This one, push forward. Alrighty. You think you can make it all the way up? Think it dropped down already? Did a front flip
Fine?
and landed it. I'm pretty sure he's fine this after that. We're gonna try it again. Or where's he going now? Oh, backwards. Oh, he landed it again. Oh, he's going off-roading now. Oh, in the tall grass. Kind of slowed him down. Oh, he got scared. Back. Oh, there you go. On his head. Landed it again. Where's he going? He's going off-road. Oh, stuck on some grass. Went up and over. He saved it. Oh, made it halfway up.
Halfway?
Halfway. Oh, he's going over the top. Down the other side. Get in the way.
Let's drop it off here.
You want to drop it off here? We got some speed on that one. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, is he gonna make it up this big long hill? Oh, he's lost in the weeds.
Oh.
Ah! Oh, he's on his head, I bet. He sees the edge. He looks down. Look. Oh my. Oh, right on his head. And where's he going? Oh! Did he land? He's landing on his tires like every time.
That's what he does?
Pretty much. I think he's only landed on his head like a couple times. Where's he going? Oh! Landed it. Going this way now. Oh! And he lands it again. What do you think about that?
That's pretty good, I'll say.
I would say it's pretty good so far.
Let's send it up on that ramp up there.
Send it off that one ramp?
Yes, sir.
Alright. There you go. Oh, he's going off the edge. Then he lands it. Keeps going. Whoa. Think he can drive straight enough to make it down?
I'm not very sure.
Not really sure. Oh, there he goes. Oh, almost made it to the end. And then to see if he can go climb all the way up. Oh, very slowly. He's gonna fall off the edge. Is he gonna make it to the top? He's slowing down a little bit. Oh, he's falling off the edge. Oh my goodness.
How did he do that?
I don't know.
Thing?
That's probably like the max angle he's capable to do though. You going off the high point again? No!
That's like the most tumbleable that I ever did yet.
Yeah. Either he's good or he's lucky. Whee! Oh! Oh, and... Oh, he landed it!
How did he do that?
I don't know. He's landed it.
Doing this?
He's got a good landing rate, that is for sure. We bashed up one RC. We surprised you with a second RC. And what'd you think of it? Do you think this one was a good one?
Yeah, I think this one was made funner.
All right, well, we got an RC boat, we got an RC buggy, now we got RC El Toro Loco. If you liked our RC videos, like this one, subscribe to our channel.
Then you land or crash?
Land it or crash. I think he will land it.